Today we're going to do a really fun movement called Spunky Boy. I love the name of this movement. The reason it's called this is because it's supposed to restore a childlike sense of play and happiness, rejuvenating all the major joints in the lower body, the ankles, knees, and hips. So let's get spunky. Try this with me. With this movement, we're just going to be alternating, extending one leg forward and then the other. And I'm going to turn to the side so you can see it a little bit better for this one. So you're going to start with the palms facing up at the waist, legs shoulder width apart. Then you're just going to inhale as you bend the left knee and bring it up. Exhale as you extend it forward. Inhale, bringing it up again. And exhale, press the palms down as you sink down. Then you're going to bring up the right knee. On the inhale, exhale, extend it forward. Inhale, bringing it up. Exhale, pressing down. Going to the left knee. Don't worry if you can't extend it all the way forward. That's okay. And you may find, like I do, that one side is more sturdy than the other or more flexible. So that'll be good for you to notice. You can see what you need to work on as you go one side to the other. And in this exercise, we're actually going to do it 7 times total. So the left leg is going to do it 4 times, and the right leg is only going to do it 3 times. So when you've done with your 7 times, you can close.